back again with another video. This week, Mum's made Ackee and Saltfish, Guan's sister. So we're going to go through the quick steps. There you see the saltfish has been soaking overnight. This is Mum, she's washed out the rice and leaving it running under the tap until the water runs clear. Chopped veggies, we've got tomatoes, peppers, scallion, scotch bonnet. She's just adding some salt to the rice. Not too much though, you know what I'm saying? Then she just sweat the vegetable down. Sweat it down. But legit, when I tell you I walked into the house yesterday and this smelled sweet, let me tell you, legit as well. So yeah, there she is, just mix. And then in this pan then we've got the Ackee and saltfish in that one with the veggies. And in this pan we've got the callaloo and saltfish. When I tell you both of these were sweet. Jeez. So yeah, enjoy the video.
And this is my mum, Trisha Guys. We are back for Yum Yum setting, and we're gonna be eating some Ackee and Saltfish.
Back. We're back. No feathers on our faces, no feathers on our faces. Yeah. So as I said in the intro, today, yeah, we're staying with that little Afro-Caribbean feel. Jeez. And today, we've got Ackee and Saltfish going on. Rice. Callaloo and saltfish. And we've got some...
A bit of chicken that we're going to
bit of roast chicken. And
but George is getting legs.
Yeah, so you can't see the chicken. But let me... Wait. Hold up that callaloo. I need a thumbnail. There you go. So yeah, let's go. I'm starving. Do you know, right? It is right now... It is right now. Right now, it is 8:30. We don't normally record this late. We normally do it like dinner time. Some people say tea time, but no, I don't believe it. It's breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Not breakfast, dinner, and tea. Anyway, so we've just been chatting, haven't we?
Yeah.
Just been chatting, and then... sorry.
But
Mum, I just did it, you. Anyway, so normally, like I said, we record a little bit earlier. Probably about 7, 6, 7. But Mum, we've been chatting, and Mum said to me, she was like, "Oh, you having a drink tonight?" I was like, "Nah." She's like, "But we're recording." I was like, "Right." But I've had one rum Red Bull. I'm licked, you know. Legit, man.
Yeah,
I'm licked. Huh? Yeah, because you made it. That's why you didn't give me no.
Look.
What am I meant to have?
I thought you were having that.
No, what? So I'm just having. I'm just having.
This is Ackee's Saltfish.
I was gonna get ready as well. Like, look at me. Oh well.
Misha, you're beautiful.
Like I haven't been home. Oh, God.
You can't be. Oh my God.
Oh, I'll just put a little Scotch bonnet in this. I
think you just took all the rest of the rice.
Yeah, I did, because you took it like nobody else wanted it.
I soaked the fish all night. It's still a bit salty.
Yeah, but I like it like that. I don't like it being soaked. I'm gonna try this as well.
I was just open to all of the Ackee's.
You're right, but it's not gonna happen just yet.
Okay.
If you don't know, get to know. Sour cream.
Yeah, but is that just
on your rice?
Our family thing?
I don't know. If you don't know about that, see this bad boy. Jeez. It's on the rice.
By the time you...
That time I'm about to burn me tomorrow. Burn me. So yeah.
Listen.
Look. This is how you do it. Like,
well, no, you're finicking.
Look, this is how you mix it, look. You don't stir it, look, you gotta shut up. You flick it.
That's what you do. Misha, I put one Scotch bonnet in here. I took out the seeds. Bloody hell, man. It's still spicy.
It's spicy, yeah.
But it's bloody nice. So, as Misha told you, we're having a conversation with Georgina. And we were just talking about old times, basically. And I love it. I love, you know, we're talking about my mum and telling Georgie all about my mum and my family. And you know, them times for me are the best. You know, when you talk, you're reminiscing, aren't you? Huh? I just love it. Love it, love it, love it.
Yeah, but do you know what? Like, it was so...
It's just organic, wasn't it?
Yeah. Legit as well. Like, obviously, Georgie's heard a lot about my, a lot about my nan and stuff like that. So she's like, oh yeah, you've told me. But she was like, oh
But
yeah,
she never
you've
mind
told me.
listening again and again, does she?
No, so it's like, oh yeah, you've told me, I remember. Oh, she's like, I remember you telling me that. But it's just like, but then we continue with the story. And she's like, yeah. And like, because like, we never get tired. Like my mum said before, she will never ever be tired of talking about mum.
Never.
I'm not really tired about talking about my nan. Like, do you know what I mean? Or sometimes my mum will try and say to me, oh, Misha, do you remember? And I'm like, yeah, mum, of course I do. Like, I was there, or I remember, or do you know what I mean? But we're still like, we'll still talk about them conversations if they're brand new, and that was what kind of happened tonight.
Yeah.
So like dinner was cooking and whatever, but we still just talked about, even though it's like, oh yeah, I'll say to mum, oh yeah, I remember. Mum will still carry on. Or Georgie will say, oh yeah, I remember. But we still talk about that conversation if it's brand new. And it's just dead nice.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, because as you know, my mum passed away in 2009, but that pain that I felt when she passed away, it was enormous. And still to this day, it still makes me tear up. Makes me go, that's my mother, that was my mum. And so the way you see the closeness with me and Misha, that's how I was with my mother. You know what I mean? And my mum was my best friend, as Misha's my best friend. It's just like, you know, when you got family like that, you hold on tight, fam. Hold on tight.
Innit? You know what? Sometimes, yeah, your family are the ones. Legit as well. It's not always. Don't get me wrong. I'm not trying to sit here and say, oh, we're not. Yeah, sitting here and preaching and saying our family, because not all families are like that. Our family is though.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong. Over the years, since my nana's passed, our family isn't this close. Like my nana was literally like the glue that held it all together. She was the rock. She was the anchor. Do you know what I mean? And over the years, you've seen that separation.
Can we use that a different word though? Because anchor is one that sinks the ship, isn't it?
No, the anchor's the one that keeps the ship in place.
Is it?
Yeah, so you know when they're in the middle of the ocean or whatever.
Oh yeah.
You've got the anchor down there to stay where they are.
Yeah. You know what? And no matter, I don't see my brothers and sisters as much as I talk to my sister, one of my sisters, Michelle, all the time, every day. We text each other. From the time that my mum passed. That's what we did every day, and we kept to that.
And you've always been close though, anyway.
Yeah, well, we've always been close anyway. You know what I mean? But you know, I love all my other brothers and sisters as well. I'm a twin. You know what I mean? So I could not see Patrick. That's my twin. I could not see him for like 3 years. But the moment we sit together or do see each other, we just like it was yesterday, wasn't it?
Yeah, I know.
You know what I mean? And then obviously Michael, and then I've got my sister Lorna. And then my older brother David. And Mum would want us all to be close, isn't it, Misha? But obviously I'm always with Misha. And our bond is formidable.
But it's even like, obviously, like when I was born, me, my mum, and my nana were always together.
Yeah.
I mean, we used to see that time, didn't they? In college, obviously with the 3 generations.
Yeah.
We were always close.
Well, yeah.
Always. Like even when we used to go on holiday together. And so my mum, my dad and my 2 brothers, my youngest brother would probably be in a pushchair around that time, or like, you know, the strollers that you get from Ronaldo. It was one of them, and then me and my nan would stay, like, my nan could only walk so fast. Excuse me. So I'd walk with my nan, and then me and my nan would share a room, and do you know what I mean? Like we were.
It was beautiful, wasn't it, Misha?
Yeah.
That bond, you can't buy it, babe. It's one of those. You've either got that or you haven't.
Yeah.
Yeah, but for me, being a mother is the most specialist gift that I was granted. It was. To be with you, like me. You know what I mean? And I know that's how my mum felt about me and my 5 siblings. You I mean, being a mother is the most precious gift that you would ever be given.
Yeah, isn't it?
I mean, and that's what
You can see that though.
Yeah.
Just like how Nana was with you lot and how you are with us.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, that my children are all adults now.
Well, nearly. Size nearly.
Yeah. But yeah, but in this society, he's an adult. We shouldn't do it.
Oh yeah, 17, isn't he?
And with them, they don't care that they're the adults. They are my. Anybody that hurt my bit of them, nope, that's not going to happen. Not in this fucking lifetime, mate. Not when I'm still living.
My Nana was the same. You know, if you watch the videos or if you don't, there's probably a few, the small few of you out there that once upon a time you upset my mum, your brothers and sisters, and my Nana's cussed your ass.
I tell you what, this dinner is giving. Oh,
You know what, right, as well?
God.
It's like dinner like this, it reminds me of Nana. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Now, obviously, we mentioned before that my Nana was from Jamaica.
Yeah.
And obviously dishes like this is what she brought over with her.
Yeah.
And that she's cooked for years.
Yeah. She taught us how to cook it, me how to cook it, and my brother Patrick, he doesn't really eat this food, to be honest.
When he comes here, he does.
Yeah, when he comes here, he loves it. But yeah, myself, Michael, Lorna,
Yeah, but that
beautiful
was...
sister Michelle, we all cook this.
Yeah, but no one cook it good as my mum though. Sorry.
They know that.
Sorry, Auntie Show. It's one of them though, isn't it?
Yeah. This is gorgeous, bitch. I can't even stop eating it. So
But yeah, so like we're saying, Ackee and Saltfish is...
it's a Jamaican, what is it?
It's the Jamaican, it's a national dish of Jamaica. Obviously you can eat this for breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever. And Callaloo is it's one of them dishes that in Jamaica they eat daily. And it's one of the main foods of the Rastafarian Italian diet. So when we say it literally today, we eat a national, you know what I'm saying? Jeez!
It makes you want to do that as well, doesn't it?
You're food sweet. Do you know what? Don't get me wrong. For all the cuisines that I've tried, made, I know we've actually had this discussion before.
Yeah.
And you said Jamaican was your favourite.
Yeah.
Well, you know, for me, and I was like, oh yeah, but I like, because I do. I eat everything.
You do.
Well, obviously. But I mean, like, I eat everything. Like, I'll eat something from, like, different, cause, and it doesn't bother me. I'll try whatever. Mum is a lot like my nan like that, where she won't. She like,
and if you cook it, I don't
she will
mind.
eat it, but she shouldn't really shouldn't eat takeaways or anything like that.
No.
Because like my nana didn't know who cooked it. It's not a mum. I don't know who's cooking it.
Yeah.
I can't see what that person looks like, what the state their clothes are in, their nails, whatever. So my mum doesn't touch it. She's open to trying it, like she said, if I make it. But yeah, I'm more open to trying everything. However, anything that I've ever said in the past, I take it back. Jamaican food, hands down. Hands. Look, you see my hands? They're down. No, hands down. For me, and for a lot of our friends, family, and obviously a lot of our white friends.
Did you used to do this when you were little, look?
No, because unless they're black, they didn't.
That's what I mean. My black family and people out there, yeah? Just to get your eyes green. Here we go.
Mom!
Remember, Shell? Oh.
Anyway, So yeah.
So see, look, clean plates.
Innit?
Apart from a bit of tomato.
And we never do. We don't do. It's not very often that our plates are.
No.
We always leave a little bit of
Oh
but
my
look,
god.
all that Saltfish gone. That rice is nearly gone. To be fair, the calories not gone because Mum didn't have any.
Yeah.
Mum's not keen on calorie. I don't know why. You should try that.
I did. I tried it. It is
It's
quite
good. I'm not
nice.
even gonna lie.
Good sign of good food, yeah.
Compliments to the chef.
That was me.
It wasn't today, was it? But yeah, no, legit, hands down, Jamaican food for me is up there. Like, I'm not just saying it because I grew up with it. Like, for flavour, for everything. Like, obviously, you saw on our last video we had the Cameroonian chicken stew with the fufu and it was Nigerian jollof rice. Don't get me wrong, that food was full of flavour.
I didn't eat the rice.
No, you didn't. The food was full of flavour, But for me, like I say, it doesn't touch me. And that's no disrespect. Obviously, you've seen us eat. I eat my Korean noodles.
You just like what you like, don't you?
But you like what you like. And for me, Jamaican food is up there. So tune in next time when we're going to be eating some curry goat and yam and dumpling and plantain.
So please, guys, like, subscribe,
And hit the little bell.
Alright. So we're gonna say,
Aya.
See ya.
My G. See, look how bounced me. You know why? That's just because Jamaican food has touched my soul. Like literally, it's touched me in my soul.
I wanna dance with somebody.
So you sing what you used to.
I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah.
You could have sung something like by Bob Marley or something like that. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What do you want? What? No, you want to check my money on me
You got really excited about your No, give her one more. But why not make sure I am thinking about